Hi kids, how are you all? Happy to see you all today. In today's class, you are going to learn in English a rhyme. I am glad to be me. Okay, are you all glad to be of what you are? Yes, you have to be glad of what you are. Okay, so you are going to learn in that rhyme how to be glad of what you are. Okay, then you are going to see the alphabet song. Then after the song, you are going to complete the worksheet, English worksheet. Okay, then you are going to see another rhyme. We see leaves. Okay, you have to by heart the rhyme after listening to the rhyme. So you have that for your oral exam. So you are going to learn the rhyme. We see leaves. Are you all ready for the class now? Come on, let's get into the class now.
Listen to this poem. Then say it together. I like myself the way I am. I'm really glad I'm me. In fact, I'm sure there's no one else on earth I'd rather be. I only want to be myself. To change would just be wrong. Except if they were super smart or muscular and strong. Except if they were famous or had won the lottery. I'd like to stay the way I am. I'm glad to just be me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Shall we sing it little bit faster? Yeah. Come on, rock. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Children, already we have learned the alphabet song. Yes, you know the letters from A to Z. Okay, you have learned in alphabet song, no? Now we are going to see the letter A. This is the letter A. Okay, this is the letter A. This is cap letter A, and you know this is the sound of the letter A. A. What is the sound of the letter A? It's A. Let us learn about the letter A. Let us learn about the letter A. Okay. So, A is for Annie ant. So, this is Annie ant. Okay. This is Annie ant who threw apples from a tree. This is apple. Okay. Who threw apples from a tree. For Andy alligator. This is alligator who ate them with glee. So, this is letter A. They have given a story here. Okay. So, this is Annie ant. You know what is an ant? Okay. This is Annie ant. She threw apples from a tree for Andy alligator who ate them with glee. Glee means happiness. Okay. So, we are going to see some words which start with the letter A. Shall we see now? You know what is this? They use axe for cutting trees. Okay, this is an axe. This is ankle. This is ankle. Ankle. Okay, this is an apple. You know, apple is an fruit. Okay, this is an apple. This is an arrow. This is an arrow. This is an alligator. Alligator is an animal which looks like a crocodile. Which looks like a crocodile. okay, but this is an alligator. This is not a crocodile, but it looks like a crocodile, okay. This is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. Aeroplane flies in the sky. You might have seen that, okay. So, these are some words which starts with the letter A, okay. This is the letter B, letter B. See here, this is letter B. What is the sound of letter B? It's B. It's B, okay. B is for the bee. This is B, okay. This is B. That buzzed all round a bush. That buzzed all round a bush. A brown bear sat near reading a book. A brown bear sat near reading a book. This is bear and this is book, okay. So, now you are going to see some letters, some words that starts with the letter B. Shall we see now? See, this is an insect B. This is an insect B, okay. These are balloons. You all like to play with balloons, isn't it? When you go to beach, you all play with balloons. So, these are balloons. This is a bell. This is a bell. You see bell in the temples, isn't it? So, this is a bell. So, this is a book. You read with your book. You all have your books, isn't it? So, this is a book. This is a belt. This is a belt. Your father wears this belt, okay. This is a belt. Okay, this is a bear, teddy bear. You all like to have teddy bear toy, isn't it? So, this is a teddy bear. Shall we move on to the next letter? We have seen A, letter B, and the next letter is C. As we saw some stories on letter A and letter B, this is the story about letter C. C is for the cow. C is for the cow who ate the corn. You know what is a cow? This is a cow, okay. Who ate the corn? So, C is for the car. C is for the car that blew the horn, okay. So, shall we see some words that starts with the letter C? This is a cat. Cat. This is a cat. This is a cap. You wear cap when you go out in the sun. When you go out in the sun, okay. This is a cap. So, this is a cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk, okay. So, this is a carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. You all like to eat carrot, isn't it? So, carrot is a vegetable. This is a carrot. This is a cot. This is a cot. We all sleep on the cot, okay. So, this is a can. This is a can. So, this is a caterpillar. Caterpillar. This is a cup. We all drink milk or tea or coffee in the cup. This is a cup. This is a circle. You know what is a circle? We all learnt what is a circle, okay. So, this is a circle. Children, do you all remember the letters what we have learnt now? We have learnt the letter A, letter B and letter C. 3 letters we have learnt, and we have learnt some words which starts with the letter A, B and C. Please see your book and learn all these letters, okay. This is your English worksheet, okay. This is worksheet number 2. As usual, you have to write your name, class, already standard is given, you have to write your section, okay. Then you have to write your date, okay. When ma'am is completing on the Zoom class, you have to write that date only, okay. So, shall we read the heading now? Keep your finger in the heading. Match the letter to letter. Match the letter to letter. So, this side they have given capital letters, okay. Capital letter A, B, C, D up to F they have given, okay. This side they have given the small letters of the capital letters. So, you are going to match the capital letter with the small letter, okay. You are going to match the capital letter to the small letter, okay. See the first letter, what letter is this? This is letter A, this is letter A, capital letter A, okay. and this side you have to find which is the small letter A. Okay. See here, this is small letter D, small letter F, and this is small letter A. So keep your pencil in cap letter A like this, and you are going to match straight line to small letter A. Okay, ma'am is holding the pencil like this for your visibility, okay, but you should not hold the pencil like this, you have to hold it like this with your fingers, okay. So next letter is cap letter C. So keep your pencil in cap letter C and find where is small letter C this side. You have small letter C here, okay. So keep your pencil and draw straight line like this, okay. So other things we can complete it in the Zoom class, okay. Your ma'am will teach you how to complete it in the Zoom class, don't complete it now, okay. So now we have turned the next page. Next page, Roman number 2, keep your finger, shall we read the heading? Draw the slanting lines from left to right. Slanting line, this is slanting line, so you are going to draw from left to right, okay. They have kept dot there, so you have to keep your pencil on the dot. This is top red line, okay. Here it is given black, but it is top red line, okay. So keep your pencil and put slanting line like this, okay. See, this is slanting line, this is slanting line, like this only you have to write. Other things ma'am will teach you in Zoom class. Now next, Roman number 3, draw the slanting lines from right to left. So here you have drawn from left to right, but here you have to draw from right to left, this side they have given, okay. So keep your pencil on the dot like this. So slowly come down, touch the other dot given there, okay, like this. This is the other slanting line from right to left. Don't complete it now, we can complete it in the Zoom class, okay.
Children, we are going to learn the rhymes. We see leaves. Are you all ready to sing? Come on, let's sing together. We see orange, we see brown, we see leaves on the ground. We see yellow, we see red, we see leaves above her heads. Shall we sing it once again? We see orange, we see brown, we see leaves on the ground. We see yellow, we see red, we see leaves above her heads.
Can you guess what class is now? You are going to see the maths class, okay. In maths, what you are going to learn? We are going to learn the numbers from 11 to 20, okay. So after learning the numbers, you are going to learn what is meant by patterns, and you are going to make a new pattern by yourself, okay. Then after learning the patterns, you are going to do the maths worksheet. Are you all ready for the class? Come on.
Hello children, I am happy to see you all in the maths class. What do we learn in maths? We learn shapes and numbers more or less. So shall we recall the numbers now? See, look at the card. What number it is? It is 1. Say along with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So I have some beads here. Shall we start to count together? Shall we count together? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and what comes after 10? It's 11. Okay, so today we are going to learn the numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, shall we learn? So look at here, this is number 11. So come on, tell along with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, come on children, let's count together. Now fold your fingers, leave your fingers one by one and count along with me. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. What comes after 10 now? Yes, very good. It's 11. So, start count along with me. It's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. It's very good. So, shall we learn the patterns now?
Now I am going to teach you about the patterns. Pattern means nothing but an arrangement of lines, shapes and colors. Look here. What shape is this? This is a triangle. After triangle, what shape is this? Square. After square, again triangle. After triangle, square. Then it's your turn. What come next? Can you tell me what come next? Yes, you are right. Triangle. After triangle, what come next? Triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square will come. Correct. Square. Okay. This is a pattern. Come to this pattern. What shape is this? Yes, rectangle. Rectangle. This is a rectangle. Then after rectangle, what shape is here? Triangle. Okay. After triangle, rectangle. Now, can you guess what come next? Yes, triangle. Blue triangle. What come next? Rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. What come next? Rectangle. Correct. You have learnt what is meant by patterns. Okay. Now we are going to complete the book activity. Okay. See, shall we read it now? Look at how Anu and Vinny have kept their toys in their room. See how it is kept in a pattern. Okay. So see, ash color, then light brown color. Okay. Ash brown, ash brown, ash brown. This is a pattern. Okay. Next see Anu's toys. Anu's toys, this is Winnie's toys. This is Anu's toys and this is Winnie's toys. Ash color teddy 1 and 2 brown color teddies. Okay, ash color teddy 1 and 1 brown color teddy and 1 ash color teddy. This is Winnie's toys. So these you have to find which is in a pattern. Can you see that there is a pattern in the way Anu has kept her toys? When shapes and colors are repeated, we call it a pattern. Okay, so Winnie's toys are not in a pattern, but Anu's toys are in a pattern. Okay, if it is coming like this, see one ash color and one brown color, ash color, brown color, this is a pattern, but this is not a pattern. Okay, so this is a pattern. When shapes and colors are repeated, see shapes and colors are repeated, we call it a pattern. Okay, so this is a pattern. Okay, shall we complete the book activity now? Keep your finger in the heading. Is this a pattern? Put wrong or tick. You have to see whether it is in a pattern, and if it is in a pattern you have to put tick, and if it is not in a pattern you have to put wrong. See the first one, circles, small circles and big circles, they have given in color wise. Okay, see purple color 2 small circles and 1 pink color big circle, 2 purple color small circles and 1 pink color big circle. This is a pattern only, it is correct. So ma'am is going to put a tick mark inside the box given there, but this is not a pattern, so you have to put wrong mark. Okay, so don't complete it now, we can complete it in the Zoom class. Okay, next one, see circle what comes next. So you have to find which one should come next and you are going to circle here. Okay, see this is a Christmas tree gift, Christmas tree gift, Christmas tree, and here what should come, Christmas tree or gift here? They have given 2 answers, you have to circle the correct one. So gift is the correct one, ma'am has circled. Okay, other things ma'am will complete it in the Zoom class. Okay, keep your finger in the next heading, complete each pattern. You are going to complete the pattern. Okay, see red, green, so the next color is red only, so you are going to color it with red. Okay, see yellow, purple, yellow, next one is purple, so you are going to color it with purple. Okay, we can complete it in the Zoom class. This is your max worksheet number 2. As usual you have to write your name, LKG section, you have to write your section and date. Okay, now keep your finger in the heading, circle the objects that look like circle, circle the objects that look like circle. Okay, so they have given many objects here. Okay, you are going to circle only the circle shaped objects. Okay, see here it is a smiley, it is a smiley, it is in circle shape. So what you have to do, you have to circle it like this. Okay, see next one, this is triangle shape, so you should not circle. Next one, this is an envelope, it is in rectangle shape, so you should not circle it. This is the sun, so you have to circle sun, donut, clock, that's all. Okay, so other things ma'am will complete it in the Zoom class. Now turn your worksheet. Next page, keep your finger in the heading, circle the numbers 3 and 4. So here they have given a big balloon and inside the balloon they have given many numbers from 1 to 5. So you are going to circle only the number 3 and 4. Okay, see this is number 3, so circle it like this. Okay, next this is number 4, you are going to circle it like this. Okay, so like this you are going to search all the 3s and all the 4s and you are going to circle it. Okay, so don't do it now, we can complete it in the Zoom class. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this class. Meet you in the next class with more interesting segments. Okay, tata, take care, bye.